Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 8 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. You have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 8 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. So we're going to start with monomials and the chapter name is monomials and polynomials. And the lessons we're going to cover today are add polynomials to find parameter, multiply and divide monomials, power of monomials, square and cube root of monomials. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is add polynomials to find parameter. Okay, here I'm on grade 8 maths. Chapter is polynomials and monomials. And we're going to start with the lesson, that is find polynomials to find parameters. Got it? So let's just start with the lesson. Okay, let's just start with the first example. Find the parameter, simplify your answer. Basically, the parameter is you have to add all the side lengths. Got it? So the side lengths are q plus q plus q plus 1 and plus 2. Just add up all four sides, q plus 1 plus q plus 2. Got it? Just add them like you do. So just collect the like terms. So it would be q plus q. You have 3q. So it is 3q and 2 plus 1 is 3. So it would be 3q plus 3. Got it? The parameter is 3q plus 3. Got it? So basically the parameter is whenever you have to calculate the parameter of any of the shape, that means you have to add all the side lengths. Got it? Okay, find the parameter, simplify your answer. So you have to calculate the parameter. So for the parameter, you have to calculate, add all the side lengths, b minus 5 plus 5 plus 4. Got it? Okay, 5 minus 5 is 0. That means the parameter is b plus 4. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, find the parameter. So we have to calculate the parameter. Let's just start with all the side lengths. The parameter is you have to add all the side lengths. Got it? It would be q and q is 3q and 6 plus 6 is 12. So it would be 3q plus 12. Got it? So option number 1 is the correct option. 3q plus 12. Okay, the next one is you have to find the parameter. That is the same we did, but options are different. Here you have q and here you have u. Okay, just add all the side lengths because we need to calculate the parameter. Just add, it would be 3q plus 12. I don't know what's wrong with the question. Got it? Okay, the next one is find the parameter. So for the parameter, you have to add all the side lengths. So the side lengths are C, C, 2 and 2. Just add them. So C plus C is 2C and 2 plus 2 is 4. So it would be 2C plus 4. Got it? Okay, find the parameter. You have to add all the side lengths. So it would be Z plus 3 plus 8 plus C. Got it? So 8 plus 3 is 11 and Z plus Z is 2Z. So it would be 2Z plus 11. Got it? Okay, find the parameter. So for the parameter, you have to add all the side lengths. It would be 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus V plus 1. So just add all the side lengths. Here you have V, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it would be V plus 5. So the correct option is V plus 5. Okay, the next one is find the parameter. So for parameter, you have to add all the side lengths. It would be VV minus 5 plus 5 and plus 4. So 5 minus 5 makes 0. So you're left with just V plus 4. Got it? The correct option is B plus 4. Okay, the next one is you have to calculate the parameter. Just add a minus 8 plus a minus 8 plus 2 and plus 2. A and a are the like terms, just add them to a. Minus 8 and minus 8 makes minus 16. And minus 16 plus 4 is minus 12. Got it? So it would be 2a minus 12. Got it? So the correct option is 2a minus 12. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is multiply and divide monomials. Let's just start with the next lesson, that is multiply and divide monomials. Let's just start with the first lesson. Simplify, express your answer as using positive exponent. Got it? So it is 9s divided by s, 3s square and s. Got it? So that means s, 3s square and s are multiplying. Got it? So when you multiply the variables s, s square and s, basically you have to add their powers. Here you have s has the power 1, 2 and 1. So when you add them, it makes 2, 3, 4. That means you have the total 9s over 3s 4. Got it? So now one of them have the exponent, you have 2s and the numerator and denominator. One of the s has the exponent 1 and the second one is 4. So just do 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Got it? That means the correct option is 3 times x minus 3. You have to shift that s to the denominator, it will be then positive, so it will be then 3s cubed. Got it? it would be 3 over s cube. Let's just do the next one on the board. Okay, let me just write it down. 5s6, okay, you have to do 5s6, 10s3 and 7s3 and divided by 5s8. Okay, so you have to multiply their coefficients and their exponents also. So 10 times 5 is 50 and 50 times 7 is 350. So here you have s6, s3 and s3. When you are multiplying the variables, that means you are going to add their power. Got it? It will be 350 s 6 plus 3 plus 3 divided by 5 s8. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it will be 350 s12 divided by 5 s8. 5 times 7 is 35, 30. So here you have 12 and here you have 8. You can subtract the 8 out of 12. So 12 out of 8 is 4. So it would be 70 s4. So the correct option is 70 s4. Let's just start with the test questions so that we can do the practice questions. Okay, 3w7, 4w plus times 2w. So just multiply all the coefficients. 2 times 4 is 8 and 8 times 3 is 24. Got it? Now when multiplying the variables, that means you're going to add their exponent. For this one, the exponent is 7. For this one, the exponent is 1. And again, for this one, the exponent is 1. So it would be 7, 8 and 9. So it would be 24w9. Got it? So it would be 24w9. So I have forgot to select the correct option, that is 24w9. Okay, the next one is simplify 8u4. Let me just write it down on board. 8u4, 5u and 9u. Let me just see. Okay, so you have to multiply all the coefficients. 8 times 5 is 40 and 40 times 9 is 9 times 4 is 36, so it would be 360. Got it? Okay, now just look at the variables. Here you have exponent 4, here you have 1 and here you have 1. When you multiply the variables, that means you are going to add their powers. So it would be 360, 4, 5, 6. So it would be 360u6. Got it? So it is 360u6. Got it? So just select the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. Then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 5r 5r 10r9 and 7 hours. So you have to multiply all the coefficients. Got it? 7 times 5 is 35 and 35 times 10 is 350. Now you are going to add the powers of the variable. Here you have 1 and here you have 1. So it would be r equals 9 plus 1 plus 1. So it would be 9 and 1, 10 and 1, 11. So it would be 350 r11. Got it? So the correct option is option number 1. Got it? Yes, option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. Okay, simplify 3b, 10b, 6b. So which is the correct option? Yes, it is. 10 times 6 is 60. Very good. It is 180b cube. Very good. Option 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is 2b, 5, 6b, and 5b, 4. So which is the correct option? Six times 2 is 12 and 12 times 5 is 60. You have to add. So it will be 60b10. Got it? Here you have 5 and 1 6 and 4 10. So it would be 60b10. The correct option is. Got it? Okay, which is the correct option? So it is 324 A15. Got it? 7 and 7 is 14 and 115. So it would be 324 A15. Got it? Okay, simplify. Express your answer using positive exponent. So which is the correct option? It would be 2070 W cube. Very good. Option number 1 is the correct option. Just multiply all the coefficients and add all the exponents. Okay, which is the correct option? Simplify, express your answer using positive exponents. Yes, 10 times 7 is 70 and 70 times 4 is 280. And just add the exponents. 8 and 7 is 15 and 1 is 16. So it would be 280 by 16. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is powers of polynomials. Let's just start with the powers of monomials. Okay, simplify, express your answer using a single exponent. Got it? Basically, the concept here is you're going to learn the how to work with the powers. Got it? Here the 10 h 8 exponent 4. Here 4 is the exponent of both 10 and 8. H8. Got it? Like this 10, 4 and 10, 4 and h8 times 4. Got it? So basically h 8 times 4 means you have to multiply the powers. You need to do 8 times 4. 8 times 4 is 32. So it would be r exponent 4 means you have to do 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, and that means 10,000. So it will be 10,000 and h 32. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions so that we can do more and more practice questions. Okay, the first one is 12 and 7 whole square. Okay, 12 and 7 whole square. Basically, the 2 is the exponent of both 12 and n7. Got it? It would be like this: 12 exponent 2 and n7 times. You can say 7 exponent 2. Got it? 12 exponent 2 is 144 and it would be n 7 times 2. Got it? 7 times 2 is 14, so it would be 144 and 14. Got it? The correct option is 144 and 14. Got it? Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is 5g6 square. 5 5g 6 and exponent whole 2. So 2 is the exponent for both 5 and this one. Got it? 5 times 5 square means 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25 and would be 6 times 2. So it is 25g exponent 12. Got it? So the correct option is 25g12. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is 8w6 exponent 2. 8w6 exponent 2. Let me just check. That is the same one. Okay. So 2 is the exponent for both 8 and w6. Got it? 8 exponent 2 means 8 times 8 and 8 times 8 is 64. And 2 times 6 you have to do 12. So it would be 64w12. Got it? So the correct option is 64w. It is 64w12. Okay, 6 and 7 whole cube. 6 and 7 whole cube. That means 3 is the exponent for both 6 and 7. So it would be 6 cube and 7 exponent 3. 6 cube means you need to do 6 times 6 times 6. 6 times 6 is 36 and 36 times 6 is 6 times 6 is 36. So it is 216 and 7 times 3 is 21. So it would be 216 and 21. Got it? The correct option is option number 1. Got it? Okay, 2p square and whole exponent 2. So which is the correct option? It would be 2p square and it would be like this. So 2 is the exponent of both 2 and p square. Got it? So it would be 2 times 2, that is 4, and p. And if you do 2 times 2, it would be 4p4. Got it? Yes, very good. The correct option is 4p4. Okay, which is the correct option for the next one? You have to simplify, express your answer using a single exponent. So it would be 3p5 exponent 3. So which is the correct option? So 3 is the exponent for both 3 and p5. Got it? So 3 times 3 times 3 is, okay, so it is 27p15 is the correct option. Very good. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 3c square and whole cube. So which is the correct option? 3 times 3 times 3, 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 3 is 27. Got it? And it would be 3 times 2 is 6. It would be 27c6. Okay, 12j square whole square. So 2 is the exponent for both 12 and j square. Got it? So 12 square and j square times 2. So it would be 12 times 12 is 144. So the correct option is 144j4. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is square and cube roots of the polynomials. Let's just start with the next lesson, that is square and cube roots of polynomials. So let's just start with the first example. Okay, simplify. Assume u is equal to 0. Got it? So let's just start with the u is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, let's just start with the first example, that is square root u8. Got it? So u8 means, let me just write it down on board. Square root u8. Basically, the square root equals half. Got it? You can replace the square root with half. Got it? So the powers are then multiplied. It would be u 8 times 1 over 2. Got it? 8 times 1 is 8 over 2. So 2 times what number is 8? So it is 2 times 4 is 8. So it is then u exponent 4. Got it? So the correct option is, basically the square root means half. Got it? So just replace the square root with half. The next one is square root v18. Okay, square root v exponent 18. Got it? So square root equals half. Just replace the square root with half. It will be v18, and for square root it is half. Got it? Exponents are then multiplied. It will be v equals 18 times 1 over 2. 18 times 1 is 18, and 18 over 2 is 9. So it would be v exponent 9. Got it? It is v exponent 9. Okay, let's just start with the test questions so that we can do the practice questions. Okay, the first one is square root t square. Square root t square. Got it. Just replace the square root with 1 over 2. So it will be then t square 1 over 2. Got it. So exponents are going to multiply. It will be 2 times 1 over 2. 2 times 1 is 2, so it would be t exponent 2 over 2. So it would be 2 times 1 over 2. It would be t exponent 1. Got it. So the correct option is t exponent 1. That would be just a t. Got it. Either write t exponent 1 or either t. They are exactly same. Okay, the next one is cube root of g exponent 9. Okay, cube root of g exponent 9. Got it. Okay, so just simple square equals 1 over 3. Got it. So when it has 1 over 2, when it has, here you have 3 and here you have, so it would be then 3 over 2. Got it. Okay, let's just multiply. It would be g 9 times 3 over 2. Got it. I think it is just 1 over 3, not 1 over 2. When, because it has the exponent 3, so it equals, wait, let me just write down again. Cube root of g9. Got it. So you can write it as g9 exponent 1 over 3. Got it. So it would be g 9 times 1 over 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. So it would be g exponent 3. Got it. So the correct option is g exponent 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is cube root of y cube. Cube root of y exponent 3. So cube root means that equals 1 over 3. So it would be y exponent 3 and 1 over 3. Got it? Now the exponents are going to multiply. So it would be 3 times 1 over 3. 3 and 3 cancel out. So it is left with just y. Got it? So the correct option is y. Okay, the next one is square root u8. Square root u exponent 8. So square root equals 1 over 2. So it would be u8 and 1 over 2. Got it? Their exponents are going to multiply. It would be u 8 times 1 over 12, 2. So 2 times 4 is 8. So u equals. So the correct option is u exponent 4. Got it? Okay. Let's just start with the next one. U exponent 4 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is G exponent 22. So we know that square root equals 1 over 2. So it would be G 22 and exponent is 1 over 2. It would be G 22 times 1 over 2. Got it? 22 over 2 is 11, so it would be g exponent 11. So the correct option is yes, g exponent 11 is the correct option. You select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is n exponent 16. So we know that square root equals 1 over 2, so it would be g16 and 1 over 2. Just multiply the exponent, it would be 16 times 1 over 2. So 2 times 1 is 2 times 8 is 16, so it would be g exponent 8. Got it? So the correct option is n exponent 8, sorry, not g. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we're working on grade 8 maths. The chapter we're working on is monomials and polynomials. The lessons we have covered today are add polynomials to parameter, multiply and divide polynomials, powers of monomials, and square root and cube roots of monomials. Got it? So you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? So that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.